You guys view down Main Street here.
We're down the street.
She's probably gonna have one.
She drives one of them around.
Which one do you drive?
Yeah.
This truck's pretty cool. I didn't know they made a 5-window Ford cab. Oldsmobile powered.
Clean my glasses.
53 Ford.
Sure.
Another Ford. Really nice El Camino. Seen this cab over at Good Guys last year, or the year before. Oh, fatty head. Pretty cool. Well, that's about it. Eatonville Rod Knockers Car Show. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons for more. And ring that bell for notifications. You know, none of this costs you nothing. It really helps out the channel. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Mike from Getting Greasy Garage here in Eatonville, the car show. The Rod Knockers Car Show every June in Eatonville, Washington.
There's 2 red ones.
Pretty good turnout so far this year. Seems to be more cars than normal. A lot of nice stuff. Got beautiful weather. Usually it's questionable rain, so we'll take a walk through and have a look. Nice GTO.